Most people don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because they are trying to figure out life alone. I grew up in Murumba Village, Kakamega County. We didn't have much, but I watched two people, my parents, build a life through unity, discipline and sacrifice. They showed me something powerful, that progress is never a solo journey. But today I look at our generation, ambitious, talented, full of potential, yet overwhelmed, burnt out and silently struggling. We are chasing success but without the system, the mindset or the conversations to sustain it. That's why I created Becoming Better Together, a platform where we go beyond surface level motivation. We dive into mindset, health, wealth, discipline, creativity and purpose. Through real conversations with people who are building, failing, learning and growing, we unpack what it actually takes to build a meaningful life. This is not about hype, it's about clarity, it's about growth, and it's about becoming the kind of person who can handle the life you are praying for. If you believe your life can be better and you are ready to grow intentionally, then subscribe, because we're not just building success here, we are becoming better together.